Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT continues to grind in this support area just above the 61.8 retracement at $4.06. The reaction from the October low to the October low hasn't really been in any way substantial. And I've added today this resistance area to the chart, which is highlighted in red. It's just a micro resistance area, but the bulls would need to overcome it in order to indicate that actually they take it seriously and that they're actually moving up in wave C of 3. So the problem is with this structure that any reaction to the support area has been corrective so far, which means it's been in 3 waves, it's not been clearly bullish, and the support zone hasn't really generated the buy reaction that we normally want to see in an impulse or anything, right? So to get more confidence that really a more substantial low has formed. It's been a range day today. Bitcoin as well has just been ranging pretty much. And yeah, as long as we don't see really a substantial buy reaction here, I actually prefer the yellow count. Not because I like it, but you know what, we need some kind of a signal. I mean, the levels are clear. The white scenario, which is bullish, is technically valid as long as we're holding above the September low. So around about $3.80. Below that level, the next invalidation point, pretty much the last key level for the white count. I mean, let's say if we break below the September low, it could still technically be, even though it's unlikely, it could technically be a wider wave too, yeah? But in that case, then the August low is the key level, $3.60 invalidation point. But as long as we're holding at least the 360 level, the white count technically has a chance, but we're just moving sideways. So I think it's not very likely. It will become more likely, the white count, the bullish one, bullish breakout count, if we see a break above initial resistance. And as I said, $4.75 would be minimally needed, a break above that level, to indicate the bulls are starting to take the lead, or at least they're attempting to do so. Then the third wave would need to get to the 138% extension. That's the key target for a third wave. If we don't even get there, it's something different. So the third wave should really get to the 1.38 extension. And then we still need a 4 and 5. And with a 5 wave move up, we have a good long trade setup, because after these 5 waves, we know that a higher low should form after the next pullback. And this could be a pullback opportunity. But hey, let's first see if we can actually break above 475. And with such weak momentum, for me, it looks more likely that we're actually continuing the move to the downside in yellow wave 3. And then possible target around 280. Ideally, though, the price avoids that breakdown, right? Because it would make the entire chart very, very questionable. Nevertheless, it's maybe... Well, it's highly likely. Maybe it's not avoidable that we drop down that much, because so far there hasn't been any, as I said, any impulsive reaction to the support area. And the wave 2, yeah, if it's bottomed already here in September, then this third wave is an ABC structure, so it can only be a diagonal pattern. Now the other way would be, as I showed you, that the wave 2 is still unfolding in a very wide flat correction. Then the third wave could be an impulse, but it's a very messy structure. So therefore it's best to just focus on the levels. They should be clear. And this here looks a bit like a bear flag, which just suggests trend continuation to the downside at the moment. But I'm happy to be impressed. So we just need to see a break above that key level at 475 to get more confidence in the bullish count. But even then, just a break above that level would be less bearish. It wouldn't be clearly bullish, because to really be bullish, the price needs to form all 5 waves to $6.40 or higher. That's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.